Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to run PHP snippet or custom code on multiple or different languages in WordPress. We are using Polylang plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. So this is our English version. Now go to another language. This is our Arabic version. So we are going to change button text on shop page for both languages. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin and then in search plugin write WP code. So this plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. So we are going to apply custom code on all languages we have. Now you see add your custom code, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. So by using this code we are going to change button text on shop pages. Now you see PLL underscore current underscore languages and then you see AR. Again you see if condition PLL current language EN. Now go to language setting and we are using Polylang. Now you see code and then you see ENAR. We are using ENAR in custom code, so you can add your country code. Now go to code. Now you see if condition and then you see AR for Arabic, EN for English, and then we are going to change button text for Arabic version and also change for English version, and you will find if condition in video description or in comment section. Now you see both if condition. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert, location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So you can apply any code, PHP code, JavaScript code, is up to you. Now go to shop page, you see add to cart, refresh the page. Go to another shop page, you see text, now refresh the page and then you see button text change. Now go to shop page and then you see buy now. So custom code apply on both languages we have in Polylang. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.